ferry boat. We're going to the ferry boat. There's one there. I know. Oh, we missed it. That's okay. We'll have first dibs. We'll get on the top in the front. There's our ferry boat. Here it comes.
Work on the boat has to paddle.
Let me help you out with that. And then, perfect, thank you.
Ready?
Yeah, I know.
Florida's so hot. Dude, it's like 7 o'clock at night and you're sweating?
It's not even night.
Well, it's almost night.
It's okay, buddy. I'm sweating too.
Yes, we are.
I've been dancing in the background.
Been dancing in the background. Focus, light. Oh, it's too bright behind us. There we go. We are here in the Magic Kingdom, Disney after hours. We got 2 hours till the park actually closes. So let's see what we can do before that. And then it's time to get our ride on. Everything is decorated for Halloween. Oh, look, Mommy. Scarecrows. I guess first we're gonna do a little shopping. Came all the way to Disney World to shop. Tomorrowland. Laugh floor. Monsters Inc. Laugh floor time. We're going into the scare floor. I mean, laugh floor.
Hey, what's your name?
Malachi.
Hi, Malachi. Hey, Malachi, help me out with a joke. I got one that was sent in from Samantha, New Jersey. It's a joke about a jump rope. You want to hear it?
Yeah.
Never mind, let's skip it. I got the citizen in from Mark in Kansas. Mark wants to know, why did the picture go to jail? Do you know why?
Why?
Because it was framed.
Did you like the laugh floor? You like the laugh floor? Was it good? Did you laugh? Was it funny? Oh yeah.
Said because he wanted to shake his booty.
Because he wanted to shake his booty. Up next is the Carousel of Progress. So the Carousel of Progress was closed off. So People Mover it is.
The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. Finally, your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
I spy with my little eye. Tron!
Painting Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow.
Laughter thereafter at Monsters Incorporated. So drop in and join Mike Wazowski driving the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
Apparently little RP3 does not know how to use a trash can. Did you get it? Did you figure it out? Were you on the wrong side? It's not that side, it's over here. So. Hey humans! Ah! Park's still open for
The
a little
people
bit.
that don't have these wristbands are gonna have to leave
Yep,
soon.
people are gonna have to leave.
But we're gonna get to stay till midnight.
It's a mad tea party. Yeah, let's go do the teacups. teacup awaits. Our teacup awaits. A very unhappy birthday to you. To you. A very unhappy birthday to you.
Turning the silver wheel to the right.
To me. Not too fast. Don't make Daddy sick. Don't make me sick. I don't do spinny rides. I'm gonna get sick. I'm gonna get sick. Too fast. Too fast. I'm getting dizzy. Exit. Don't fall. Don't fall, Dizzy boy. You're in Pooh's house. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Chapter 1. The 100-Acre Wood. Randy. Oh, where'd he go? Honey, this way. We got in line too early. There's nobody in the line now. Pooh Bear, Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Look at Pooh and his friends and Piglet. Hi, Piglet.
You'll never reach that tree.
Come bounce with me.
Oh, look, it's a big honey pot balloon. We stopped. Beware. Listen, sing on the Winnie the Pooh ride. Oh, we stopped again. Pooh Bear, what are you doing? Pooh Bear. Hooray! Oh, look at this guy. I stopped right next to Pooh. The park is getting ready to close. It's got about 10 more minutes till it closes.
Yeah, but we get to stay until midnight.
Yep, we get to stay until midnight.
Because we have this band.
Yep, because we have that band. We're gonna head over to the People Mover and try and see if we can see the fireworks from it, right?
Everyone that we passed had no wristband bracelet.
Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe is closing. We're gonna go on you in a little bit here, Speedway. We're gonna go on you in a little bit here, Speedway. First, People Mover again.
Tomorrow at Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in their very own racetrack.
Have you seen the video?
Different high-flying adventure. Hop on board the Astro Orbiter or pilot your own spacecraft that you think is spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights.